Okay, so these dining benches are finally done. Sorry I didn't do more of a wrap-up video. The client's coming to pick them up today. I've just finished them up 2 days ago. See, painted the inside. Got full-length piano hinges on them. Little detail here on the end of the plywood with some molding that's rounded over there, so you don't see the end grain on the plywood. Came out pretty good. This one's a small one. And the client's gonna basically put these in their dining room and arrange them into an L shape and use them as tables, or I'm sorry, as benches for their dining table instead of chairs. You can see under here we got self-leveling feet. These screw in and out about 1 inch to adjust to the floor. So added those in there. And yeah, so that's a wrap on this project. I'm starting the next one tonight or tomorrow, and I'll try to film a little bit more of that. But yeah, for these shaker style dining or breakfast nook area storage benches, they're actually super easy to build. There's a lot of work in them, but it's not that complicated. Like I said, I'll try to do a little bit more detailed filming on the next one. But you know, basically, if you can build a case, you know, they got simple rabbet joints on the end there, nails and glue, no pocket screws in this project. That actually, not that I have anything against pocket screws, but it speeds up the assembly time. The rabbets and the nails and glue are plenty strong, and it actually speeds up the assembly quite a bit when you cut those with a router. Super fast. You set up an edge guide on the router, cut the rabbets, and then your assembly just kind of falls into place. So that's a wrap on this project. Follow along for the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.